has forced the government to conscript civilians as soldiers. But this time, they discover a larger, more sinister flower than any they have yet seen. When all hope seems lost, their allies come to the rescue. Somehow they have a greater sense of solidarity than when they had been free, or so they had thought. Fellow prisoners remain frozen in place, like a people somehow out of time. The man and his wife look on, trying desperately to make sense of what is happening. The prisoners begin to march, their footsteps all in perfect sync. And his wife prove no match for their fellows. The officer begins to tell them about the strategy they use to fight the flowers. Though strategy is a kind word for it, experiment is far more appropriate. Data from the prisoners' battles with the flowers is recorded and analyzed. Any found wanting, or any who exhibit a sense of self, are determined to be defective and are disposed of by the organization. Man awakens. He sees his fellow prisoners. He is the only survivor. This is unforgivable. The man emits a roar of pain.
could scarce be described with words. At any rate, this concludes tonight's memory restoration. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, dream time! Eat the nightmares before our young miss here wakes up. Wake up.
See you tomorrow, Mr. Monster.
Now, look over there if you would be so kind.